Hey everyone, so just a really quick video today. We're going to be doing an oil change on a Hyundai i30. This is the 2016 1.6 CRDi model. Okay, yeah, so we're going to be doing an oil change on this one. So for this, I bought it from APD. They're decent commerce stuff, perfectly fine for this vehicle and the kind of driving that it does, etc. So nice commerce CRDi stuff that they do. So as I got that from APD, and I'll leave all the links down in below. And we got in a decent sort of Marley filter as well. So it's a fairly easy process on this car. We have got it up in the air already on the axle stands. We've left the jack in on one side as well. Oil filter's super easy to locate on this one at the front, in the sort of top front quadrant of the engine. So it's just going to be getting the bottom cover off and draining the oil out first. Okay, so when underneath the vehicle, you're going to see this sort of big engine tray here. We've already started taking bits out, but effectively there's a combination of sort of 10mm sockets and screwdriver bits. You know, some of the screwdriver bits sort of along here, a few sort of dotted around here, and there's bolts at the rear. You're going to have to just undo those, and this whole tray will then drop out, giving access to the sump bit, which is about here-ish. Okay, so once you've got that under tray off, it's going to slide in underneath the vehicle here, and you've got the sump here. So looking underneath, coming underneath here, and you've got the sump. Let me change the camera, just here, and the sump bolt is just on the back of it here, and that is a 17mm on this one. Oh, there's the tray. Sump bolt. Still got me. Still got me. Okay, so that's the oil draining now. So what we're going to do is, whilst it's draining, we're going to undo the cap and change the filter. I find undoing that cap as well I don't know if it releases pressure or something, but it allows a bit more oil to drop out the bottom. So we're going to release that now, change over the filter, and then crack on with putting that sump plug back in again and refilling it. Okay, so when looking at the engine here, so this is that CRDi 1.6. This is our oil filter here. So this is just a cap, and the filter goes inside. So we've got to go on that. It looks like a 22. I'll double check in a moment. But we'll undo that, pull it out, and have the filter on there. Swap out that filter and pop it back in again. So that should click in on there. It wasn't ready. Let's get that back in. Okay, so that's pretty much all the bits changed. Well, the bits we need to change over now. Filters out, oils out, new ones in. So what we're going to do now is just going to put that sump plug back in. Make sure you do that first. Start filling up the oil from the top there, and then that's the job done. So yeah, it started raining, so I do apologise about having the hood up. So that is it pretty much done. Got it down, did the fractional top up, but yeah, that is how to do an oil change. So it's a bit of a basic video, not the best weather today, but yeah, it's fairly simple on these cars. Like I say, the panel underneath is a bit of a pain. You got to sort of hold, all those screw bits never sort of come out easy. So you got to sort of pin the body of it whilst undoing the screw. Little things like that. So it's a bit of a pain on these kind of cars, I'm afraid. But other than that, the rest of the job's pretty easy. It's just just drain and replace. So yeah, all done.